Unit 2. Drafting basic patterns for tops, skirts, and trousers. Drafting basic patterns for tops, skirts, and trousers is a foundational skill in fashion design. These basic patterns serve as the starting point for creating a wide variety of garment styles. Here's a step-by-step guide to drafting basic patterns for each of these garment types. Basic top pattern. Take measurements. Measure the bust, waist, and hip circumference, as well as other key points like shoulder width and back length. Draft the front bodies. Draw a vertical line representing the center front. From the top, measure down and mark the bust point. Using the bust measurement, divide it in half and add ease for a comfortable fit. From this point, draw a line perpendicular to the center front line, representing the bust line. This will be the front armhole. Draw the neckline and shoulder slope, and then connect the armhole to the waist. Draft the back bodies. Repeat the process for the back bodies, considering the back width, shoulder slope, and back length. The back armhole will be slightly smaller than the front armhole. Add darts. If desired, add bust and waist darts for shaping. Measure the dart width and position them on the front and back bodies. Sleeve pattern. Draft a sleeve pattern by measuring the arm circumference and desired sleeve length. Create a tapered shape for the sleeve. Basic skirt pattern. Take measurements, measure the waist and hip circumference as well as the desired skirt length. Draft the waistband. Draw a horizontal line representing the waistband. Divide the waist measurement in half, add ease, and mark this point on the waistband line. This is the center back. Draft the skirt panels. For a basic A-line skirt, measure the hip circumference and divide it by 4. Mark this measurement from the center back along the waistband line and draw a line downwards for the side seam. For the front panel, measure down from the waistband center front and draw a line for the center front. Add seam allowances to all edges and cut out the skirt panels. Basic trousers pattern. Take measurements. Measure the waist, hip, and inseam length. Draft the front and back. Trousers. Start with the front pattern. Draw a vertical line representing the center front. From the top, measure down and mark the hip point. From the hip point, draw a line perpendicular to the center front line, representing the hip line. Connect the hip line to the waist and create the front crotch curve. For the back pattern, repeat the process considering the back rise and crotch curve. Draft the waistband. Similar to the skirt, draft a waistband using the waist measurement and adding ease. Add pockets and fly front. If desired, add pocket placements and create a fly front closure for trousers. Throughout these drafting processes, accuracy is crucial. Use a ruler, set square, and French curve to create smooth lines and accurate curves. Remember to label all pattern pieces and add notches for alignment during sewing. These basic patterns serve as the foundation for your creative designs, allowing you to modify and manipulate them to create a variety of stylish garments. Thank you.